Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is, which of the following is by or an examples and to S of a health restoration activity? Select all that apply. Option 1, administering an antibiotic every day. Option 2, teaching the importance of hand washing. Option 3, assessing a silent surgical incision. Option 4, advising a woman to get an annual mammogram after age 50 years. The correct answer of the question, answer 1, administering an antibiotic every day. Option 3, assessing a silent surgical incision. Rationale: health restoration activities help an ill silent return to health. This would include taking an antibiotic every day and assessing a silent surgical incision. Hand washing and mammograms both involve healthy people who are trying to prevent illness. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.